Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash, and I have no idea what this video is about, so we're going to figure it out somewhere on the way. Again, if you guys have any ideas on videos you want me to talk about, any discussions or any topics or anything like that, comment down below and let me know. Or if you guys want to, join the Rich Driver, Poor Driver Facebook group on Facebook. And that's a group that I run, and it's a bunch of like-minded individuals who all want to better themselves, which have productive conversations on there. So if you guys haven't yet, go check out that group. I approve everyone. It's not like that Decline Now group where you have to pass a certain test or anything. If you guys want to get smarter financially, fitness, all that stuff, anything like that, it's a good group for you. Anyway, so we're starting off today's daily dash. It's 4:15. I've been super productive all day. Did a daily dash earlier in the day at like 8:45 or so. And I don't know, I'm just kind of bored, so I was like, let's get another video done. So we're going to Capriotti's shop, Capriotti's sandwich shop, $6 for 1.2 miles. That's one of those $6 orders that you just kind of want to take, you know? So that's why I don't have the cap of $7 or anything like that. Anyways, alright, be right back when we get to Capriotti's and hopefully I have something to talk about for you guys. Before we get there, I just gotta point something out. I don't know what it is, but every single time that I'm hungover, which is usually like once a week, and I gotta stop that, but anyways, every time I'm hungover, I somehow put out a video that always gets a lot of views. It doesn't make any sense to me because it's usually like the worst content, but for some odd reason I think of the best thumbnails and descriptions for it, and those videos always do really well. Doesn't make any sense, but this video I posted a few days ago, angry customer yells at me for hand to customer selection, is when this Asian guy was yelling at me because he selected hand to customer, so I handed it to customer, and then he got mad at me that I was standing at the door with his food and I didn't just leave it at the desk or at the door. And I was like, yeah, anyways, if you watch that video, I gotta be honest, it wasn't the greatest content, and it just wasn't, you know. It was like the third video that I made that day. I was trying to get ahead. It just wasn't the best content, but for some odd reason, anytime I put out what I consider to be like meh content, which is, it happens because I do daily videos, those videos always do well. It doesn't make any sense to me. I don't get it. Why doesn't like any of the important like videos that I think I'm like, oh, this is so much good information for people, and like especially all the like financial and like business and entrepreneur related stuff where I'm like, oh, this is such good content for people. Those videos always tank, and sometimes they tank so bad that I just delete them because I'm like, oh, this is screwing up my YouTube algorithm. Which, by the way, if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing that like button to help guide my YouTube channel through a very vigorous path of the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, give me some more views anyways. Or if you guys really love my channel, you could share it, and I will be the happiest person in the world if you share one of my videos on Facebook and tag me or something like that. Just saying. It's my birthday coming up. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. My birthday's in October. Anyways, be right back. We are at Capriotti's. The building is orange if you can't tell. I didn't just get a spray tan in the last 10 seconds. We got the order super quick, walked on in there. It was ready right away. I love Capriotti's, but there is one of those invisible, not invisible, it's like a Doordash restaurant or whatever you call it, where it's like a, oh, I forget what it's called. It's like some kind of vegan sandwich place. But that, it's the same exact restaurant, but they have their own separate grill for it and everything, so they don't cook the meat with the vegetables and yada, you know, like the vegan thing. And that restaurant is always late. So I don't know why that is. I guess it's because it's separate or something, but yeah, anytime I see a order from, man, I wish I knew what it was called. It's some kind of sandwich place in Capriotti's, but it sucks. So just saying. Sometimes I forget that little oh no, there is a cycle thing in here. I guess my protein is just having a hard time digesting. I got the protein and almond milk and coffee going right now. It's 420. 420. I don't smoke weed though. I used to do drugs I still do, but I used to too. I'm just kidding. That's a Mitch Hedberg joke, one of his greatest jokes of all time.
I used to do drugs. I still do, but I used to too.
Mitch Hedberg's one of my favorite comedians of all time. But yeah, I don't smoke weed anymore because I started getting like anxiety. Smoked weed for like probably 10 years of my life, and then probably about 3 years ago, it's just like 3 to 4 years ago, I think it was like 2016 or 17, I just completely stopped cold turkey, and I just don't really enjoy it anymore. It just kind of makes me anxious, which is funny because now it's like legal, and I was doing it when it was illegal, not to incriminate myself or anything, but yeah, I just don't enjoy it anymore. I wish I didn't enjoy alcohol so much, so that's one thing that I wish I could change. But I love coffee. Coffee's the best. I love coffee. Except I don't like how hot it always is. That's why I always like, this is like half coffee and half almond milk, because it cools it down. Cheat code. Awesome. Freaking apartments. No directions from the customer on where their building is, and no map at the beginning. The map was just like so ancient you couldn't even read it. So busting out the freaking beams thing, doing a Beans Maps. For those of you who don't know, Beans Maps is this app that helps you find apartments. If you guys don't know about it, you should probably get it because it's very handy in these cases, like right now. Like, alright, all you gotta do is go to the Beans app, zoom in on where you are, click on the apartment complex, type in the building number. This guy's pissed because they had to go around me, but whatever. 9940. Then you gotta type in what building is it? 1028. 1028. And bam! It's gonna help me find it. Ah, there it is. Literally, should have gone through the other gate. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. There we go, building 4. That's all they had to do, was just give me some directions, tell me where it was. But no, I hate when customers do this. So annoying. Right, dropped it off. Got another one from Applebee's. Let's see what it is. Applebee's kind of far away. Ooh, hell no. Delivering to the Strip. We don't do that. That is the worst thing you could ever do. One of these days, I will make a video on delivering the Strip for you guys, and I'll have to freaking vlog the whole entire walking to the door and through the casino and everything. Because, man, I just think it's so crazy that people expect a driver to park, walk all the way through a casino, find their hotel room, walk all the way back to their car. Just so crazy to me that people actually expect that of people. Ooh! Look at this! $7 for 1.1 mile, and it is literally, look at how close these things are together. The only reason it's a mile is because I'm a mile away from it. It's literally like I can grab it and then walk across the parking lot to maybe, no, yeah. It's one of those things where it's an apartment complex that's like next to it, but you got to go all the way around. But if you guys haven't been to this place called Slater's 50/50 Grill, oh, so good. They have bacon milkshakes there. Well, so it's just like bacon everything basically, but if you guys like bacon, which I love bacon, but I'm not eating it right now because it's too high in sodium, then you should go to Slater's 50/50 Grill. This is definitely not an advertisement. Just saying. It's 90 degrees right now already in Vegas. I thought it was supposed to be spring. This is what we get for spring, is freaking 90 degrees. Really, Vegas? Ugh, better enjoy it now because it's about to be like 110 next week, I bet. And then it's gonna be 120 the week after, probably. But it is time to go wake surfing. Yeah, wake surfing season's coming up, which means I'm going to the lake as many times as I can before my contract starts in Reno on May 6th. God, I'm so jealous that I can't eat this. Look at how much food that is. Jeez, it's like about to fall over. There's no way that would fit in a hot bag. That's just saying, because I'm not using a hot bag. And, man, my car smells like so much bacon. Ugh, I wish I could eat this. Just kidding. Anyways, I just ate actually, so I'm not really hungry. And I'm drinking a protein shake because I'm being healthy. And let's figure out how to get to this guy's house. Yeah, literally got to go like around the block. Bring it around town. Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm freaking sweating right now. It is so damn hot, and I'm just sitting here. So glad that I bought, so the shirt that I'm wearing is like this super thin shirt that I bought at Cotton On yesterday. I never buy clothes, but I was like, oh my god, this is perfect because it's about to get hot. And it's hot, and I predicted it. It's a perfect shirt because it's super, super duper thin. And I'm thinking about getting some of these and printing some off-axis logos on them. Yeah. The number one thing, see, they put a building number at least for me, so I can just look, find building 4 is to the left, and then I can find their their apartment 258 back right. Boom. Always do that before anytime you have to deliver to an apartment complex, because otherwise you're just gonna be driving around aimlessly trying to find a freaking, and sometimes it's so hard to see the building numbers even if you could see them. And if you can't see the building numbers, then you're really in trouble, because then you have to look for the door numbers and stuff. That's a huge problem. At that point, I remember there was one time I was struggling so hard when I first started doing Postmates. I just I selected the order as could not be completed because I could not find this freaking apartment number, and it was fucking pitch black. It was like super dark in Vegas, and they weren't answering their phone or anything. I was like, yo, okay, I'm not gonna spend that much time. I don't think I would do that again, but all right, back right 258, there it is. So it's in the back of it. Yeah, found the building. Be right back. That person gave me an extra $4 tip. I made 11 bucks on that order to literally drive like 1 mile. Not complaining about that one. And the guy was like, wow, you are so quick. And I know, I am super quick. Anyways, so today I'm just gonna wrap it up, and it's just gonna be kind of a short video. So I don't think I'm gonna do any more DoorDash orders because we already did 2. Yeah, 2's good enough, and it's so damn hot. I gotta take a break because I'm just like baking in the sun right here. Get it? Bacon in the sun? Okay. Alright, just kidding. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you haven't yet, smash that like button for the algorithm and help me out just a little bit. And also go to offaxisacrobatics.com. Use the discount code OffAxisTanner for 30% off, and you will save some money on the best shoes in the whole entire world. Or you can get a hat. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.